Okay, so we are back on the road. We're actually catching up way further down south. We're just north of San Antonio right now, getting ready to film some more tiny homes. I got all day today to film, and then tomorrow morning, then we're just free to kind of bounce around. We have 5 days till Daniel takes off on his first plane ride ever.
Yep, been fun.
What do you think of the bus life so far?
It's not bad. I mean, you definitely have to have what you need to eat on the bus, because it can get really expensive just eating places and stopping everywhere. But
so we got that cooler. I think we've opened it 2 times. We've been eating at Denny's and IHOP. This is one of the last times I'm going to be able to eat whatever I want. Whenever I get to Arizona and set up, I'm going to get back to my fairly strict diet. Fridge will help with that. Speaking of the fridge, had a little bit of an incident. You can see, got a nice little dent. And deductive reasoning is this little corner is what did it. So I hit a curb going through town. I thought I had it cleared, just barely bumped it. Eventually what I'm going to do is get a couple 90s, put in the top of the fridge and the back. Didn't get that yet. The fridge came down, thought it was solid. It didn't really, I mean, I don't think it's going to affect the actual door at all, and this door does come off, so eventually I'll replace it, but for now, I'm going to have a nice little story to tell with the dent. But the road has been going well. Honestly, just filming so much just on the road non-stop, it was just easier not to vlog about it. But today, like I said, going to get that filming done and then out west. This is your first time in Texas, right?
Correct.
What do you think of Texas so far?
Everything's bigger in Texas, man. It's there's a lot of big cities. I say we passed through 4 or 5 just coming from San Antonio down here to where we at?
Burn, Texas.
Yeah, Burn, Texas. Passed a good 4 or 5 cities with 3 to 5 lane traffic. So
you don't see that too often in Indiana, huh?
No.
And then yesterday when we were filming in Arlington, Daniel went to Cowboy Stadium and just local food spots while I filmed, and then we headed down south. Basically what happened is we got out of Arlington before the rush hour traffic, so we just busted right down out of Arlington. Then we waited north of Austin a little bit, waited for the traffic to die down in Austin, then we drove through, and then Daniel drove the rest of the night. We ended up going to this gas station outside of Burn, and then the place we're actually filming is just 1.2 miles away, so we're getting ready to take off right now, and we'll catch y'all later. Catching up with all of you a little bit further down the road. We are at Fort Stockton after filming around the Burn, Texas area. We ended up staying at a truck stop last night. What are you thinking of the truck stop campgrounds?
I had to put up like a tent in front of all the windows because it had bright lights shining in, but other than that, it's been peaceful and nobody's bothered us. So yeah, and the showers are nice. So
yeah, we've been hitting up a lot of showers. We have decided that we are going to go to El Paso, park at a Walmart, being this is obviously a bigger rig. Park at Walmart, order food in, like research the best restaurants, use Uber Eats or Amazon. There's this Amazon program, not program, but service where you can order food and people will deliver it to you. So we're gonna get, look up the best restaurant in town, have them deliver the food to Walmart. Then we're gonna head up to White Sands National Monument. There's a boondocking spot right outside of that particular monument. We're gonna get there today, just take it easy once we get there. And then tomorrow morning, wake up early, go into the monument, drive around a little bit, and then start heading towards Tucson. We're getting it done. It is a little messy in here, but being that I don't have all the storage figured out and Daniel's in here with all his stuff. You doing a selfie on video?
Yep.
What are you doing a selfie for?
Huh?
What are you doing a selfie for?
Just F.
Uh-huh. Who are you sending it to?
I'm not. That was actually on the phone.
Uh-huh. We're gonna get some fuel here, and then...
Oh, we are getting fuel here?
Oh, absolutely. It's $2.59 here. It's the cheapest we've seen.
$3.59.
Oh, it's 3?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
That's what I was saying. We was passing on them oil fields, and this is the highest one we've came across.
You see, I thought it was 2. I thought it was cheap here.
Yeah. You can. I can look on my phone real quick, and they usually tell us along the route the prices.
That's true. What app do you use?
I have a pilot app, but for some reason it's not accepting my password, and every time I try to do the security question through the email, it's like that's not the answer you put in. So.
Well, I have Gas Buddy as well, so we'll check it out. And Kobe's is just enjoying his antler. Aren't you, bud?
I got plenty of room.
You got it?
Yeah. Well, yep.
All right, pulling into Walmart. Daniel drove all the way in. Let's see if we can actually get in here.
We going here or here?
Either. Whatever's easier to get in. Is it all the way cranked?
Yeah. Just gonna go that.
This parking lot wasn't made for Skoolies.
Head southwest.
Shut up. Trying to get back in our lane over here. Clear? No?
No, they're still going. Thanks, lady.
She's a reindeer. She's got the right of way.
Yeah, just park right here.
Right here?
Yep. All right, let's research what food we want brought here, and we'll head north. So we got Uber Eats. It's an app you can get to deliver food on top of the bus. We got I-10 behind me, Walmart over here. Daniel's patiently waiting for his food. Cubbies! Couch! Down. Good boy, stay. I got this for dessert. We are off to White Sands National Monument. The goal is to go up here, turn around, then come back around, because if we go up towards the front of Walmart, we're gonna have a really steep turn. I'm gonna have Daniel guide me throughout this parking lot experience. That beer is $10.
Yeah. Gas station beer, man.
Guess if it's not your debit card, huh?
What do you mean? I didn't use yours.
Oh.
Wow, I don't even have your card. Do I? I haven't had it for a while.
Getting all fancy.
The only way you're getting out here. Yeah, I figured that's what you could do is this.
What's up?
And then shoot for that out.
Yeah. When we get up to, actually on the left would be the cabinets. You got your first taste of real Mexican food. In your first Walmart entrance, in your first rooftop meal.
Yeah.
Actually, it's my first rooftop meal.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Yeah, this left should be fine.
Sweet.
This might take a while. Hopefully that's not my exit.
What?
That might be my exit right over there.
Oh, as soon as you get around the corner?
Yeah, it is. Sorry, Walmart patrons. This might be my chance. We made it, Cubbies!
Hey,
Couch! That'll make you pucker.
off-road use only. No off-road use of any vehicle by order of the installation commander. Oh, you just can't use like ATVs and stuff.
Yeah.
Want me to get out?
Yeah. Couch. Does it look like I'm gonna be able to clear this turn?
It's gonna be close.
Yeah. Let me get another hit at it.
You want me to guide you back again, or?
No, just stay right there. I'm past it. Sure I'm good right here? Alrighty, hop in. I need you to watch the cabinets and stuff.
Oh.
Got that all on camera.
Basically, you buy cabinets in that fridge, right?
Both, just keep it on them. I think it just bumps right there and we're good. Well, the bad part is we won't be able to get any drone footage. Well, we just made it to the boondocking spot. Just had the first close area to try and get in.
We're literally, oh, there's a couple people back here.
Yeah. Jessie, I did a video with her on Tiny Home Tours. She has the Instagram Growing Her Commander. I'll link that down below, but she was here and she suggested I check out this spot. Just gonna head back here, park for the night. We'll show you what the spot looks like once we get parked. Knows it. Look how close they are.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's a little rough over there.
There it is, bub. We're home. Well, we made it, everybody. Time to check out the area. That is an absolutely stunning view. Okay. What do you think of boondocking, Daniel?
Doing the same thing you're doing. It's nice, man.
Have some fighter jets off in the distance. There's an Air Force base right there. I highly doubt you can see that, but they've just been circling around since we got here. Or since we first pulled up, rather. So the only negative here is I won't be able to get drone shots. It'd be awesome to get some drone shots, but I do believe we'll probably get the roof deck set up and probably have a beer up there. I don't know what the elevation is, but goodness, it is absolutely beautiful out here. Bus is looking like a beast up there. Go bees! Oh, he's a happy boy. What'd you say?
What'd you call those, an F-35?
I think the Raptors, yeah.
Sweet ladder, man.
What you think?
Sweet, man. Good stuff.
What you think, Kobe's? What you think, bud?